The mysterious fires and explosions on Russian soil continue, and no one is taking the blame. Now, there is this huge fire in the heart of Russia in St. Petersburg. The composition of something is on fire. The Ukrainians are not saying anything, but it sure looks like Putin brought the war home, as a gift for the Russian people. Ukrainian forces recently captured this Russian BTR-80, number 315, in the Kherson Oblast. In Borova, Kharkiv region, this is how people meet the real liberators. It's been 8 months and some people still don't understand why Ukraine is fighting. It is just one word: freedom. And another video of Yars, SS-27 Mod 2, road mobile ICBM launch from Plesetsk today. Credit where credit is due, Russian MOD learned to produce awesome ICBM launch footage.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.